Hey guys, I'm Tim and welcome to the Tim G. Edwards Music YouTube channel. Today's guitar lesson, I'm going to teach you how to play God Bless the USA, written by Lee Greenwood. Very popular song that's been sung for many years. In my description below there's a link to the Ultimate Guitar tab that you can download the lyrics and the chord charts that I'll be using to play this song. So let's get started. If tomorrow all the things were gone that I worked for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife, I thank my God above to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom and they can't take that away. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the man who died, who gave that right to me. And I'll gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today, 'cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. Okay, very easy song to play. I'm primarily using downstrokes most of the time. You may have noticed I've got the capo on the 2nd fret. You can just play that in the open G chord, but I'm using a G-shaped chord and just using a capo on the 2nd fret, playing that up just so I can sing to this pitch on there. So you can use it with or without the capo, or you can adjust the capo up or down just to fit your pitch, so you'll be able to sing along. So the primary chords I'm using for this song are G major, C, A minor, F, D major, E minor. Okay, those are all the chords that I'll be using. Just a quick review of how to play these chords. For G major, place your first finger on fret number 2 of the 5th string, your second finger on the very top E string of the 3rd fret, and then your little finger on the 1st string of the 3rd fret, and then strum all strings. G major. Okay, and then to play C major, 2nd string of the 1st fret, skip a string, place finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then stretch your 3rd finger to the 5th string of the 3rd fret. Play all strings but this top E string. Play all strings but this top E string. C major, okay? And then to play A minor, place finger number 1 on string number 2 of the 1st fret, finger number 2 on the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret. Strum all strings but the top E string. That's A minor. Okay, now to play E minor, just lift off on your 1st finger and simply move these 2 fingers up 1 string to the 5th string and to the 4th string of the 2nd fret, and then strum all strings to make the E minor chord. Okay, and then to play the D chord, you want to place finger number 1 on string number 3 of the 2nd fret, finger number 2 of the 1st string of the 2nd fret, and then finger number 3 on the 2nd string of the 3rd fret. Then strum all strings but the top 2 strings, so strum the bottom 4 strings. D major. Okay, then lastly the F major, you want to bar the first 2 strings with your 1st finger on fret number 1, and then finger number 2 goes on the 3rd string of the 2nd fret, and then their third finger goes on string number 4 of the 3rd fret, and then strum the bottom 4 strings. F major. Okay, let's look at the introduction real quick. I'm using the G major, D, and C. I'm just simply strumming the G string one time. 1, 2, 3, D, C, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'll repeat that again. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Notice I'm just hitting the D major chord one time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So D major is strummed on beat number 4 of the first measure. 1, 2, 3, D, C, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I just played that introduction progression 2 times. Okay, now if we look at the verse, we'll be using the chords of G, C, A minor, and F, and then D. Okay. Okay, on my strumming patterns, I'm primarily using downstrokes like this. I'll mute my strings. It'll be like 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. You can use down up strokes, but I'm just trying to keep it very simple. So let's play through the verse. It goes, if tomorrow all the things were gone that I worked for all my life, and I had to start again with just my children and my wife, I thank my God above to be living here today, 'cause the flag still stands for freedom, and they can't take that away. Okay, very, very simple. Okay, let's play through that one more time, and I'll just kind of talk through the chords. If tomorrow, G, C, A minor, F, D, G, C, A minor, E minor, C. Okay, very easy. Now we'll just go into the chorus. It's pretty simple as well. We're just primarily using D, C, G, and then we'll be using the E minor and the A minor. So no F major in this chord. So I'm sure you're happy about that. Okay, so if we just look at the chorus, I'll just sing through it once. And I'm proud to be an American, where at least I know I'm free. And I won't forget the man who died, who gave that right to me. And I'll gladly stand up next to you and defend her still today. 'Cause there ain't no doubt I love this land. God bless the USA. Okay, let me play through it one more time, and I'll just kind of go over the chords with you as I strum it, okay? Okay, starting off with a D, and I'm D, C, G, D, C, G, E minor, G, C, A minor, E minor, just hold it a little bit, C, G. Okay, then the second verse is the same thing. From the lakes of Minnesota to the hills of Tennessee, A minor, across the plains of Texas. F from sea to shining sea. G, Detroit down to Houston. D, from New York to LA. A minor, there's pride in every American heart. E minor, and then hold on to E minor, then C. Then you just do the chorus one more time. Okay, after the second verse, you'll sing the chorus through one time, and then they typically sing the chorus through a second time and repeat the chorus again at the end, and then just end the song. So this is a very easy song to learn, and hopefully you enjoyed this lesson. If you'd like to see more videos like this, be sure and hit the like button at the end of this lesson. If you're not a current subscriber, please subscribe to my channel. It's free, there's no obligation. I would enjoy you following me and following my lessons. I try to publish 1 to 2 lessons per week. I'd like to thank all my current subscribers as well. So thanks for joining in today. Have a great day. God bless you, and God bless the USA.